Hi learners! This is Sir Bambi and sa video ito we will learn how to insert and modify a table in Microsoft Word. And let's start. First, how to insert a table. First step, click the Insert tab and locate the Tables group. Ito po yung Insert tab at ito po yung Tables group. Then, click the Table drop-down command. Hover your mouse over the diagram squares to select the number of columns and row in the table and then click. So, ito po yung gagawin. Just hover your mouse over the diagram squares and then click. Yan po ang steps how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Next, how to add a row and column. First step, place the insertion point in a cell. Dito ako mag-i-insert. And then select the Table Tools Layout tab. Ito po yung Table Tools Layout tab. And then locate the Rows and Columns group. Ito po yung Rows and Columns group. Kapag mag-i-insert po ako ng row, sa taas, ito po yung i-click ko. Yan. Sa ilalim naman po, yan. And then mag-i-insert ako sa ng column sa left side. Yan po. Mag-i-insert din ako ng column sa right side. Yan. So, these are the steps how to add a row and column. Next one, how to delete a row or column. First step, select the row or column you wish to delete by placing the insertion point in any cell. So, pwede kang mag-insert lang ng point dito or pwede mo rin siyang i-highlight. For example, just go to the select the Table Tools Layout. Ito po yung Table Tools Layout. And then, locate the Rows and Columns group. Ito po yung Rows and Columns group. Click the Delete drop-down command and then select Delete Rows or Delete Columns. For example, ito, column siya. Yan po. Na-delete na po yung columns. Kapag row naman, select na natin siya or i-highlight natin. And then, punta ka ulit sa may Delete command and then click and then Delete Rows. Yan po. Next, how to merge and split the table cells. First step, select the cells you would like to merge. For example, i-merge ko ito. Then, select the Table Tools Layout tab and locate the Merge group. Ito po yung Merge group. Then, click the Merge Cells command. Yan po. You can separate the merge cells by selecting them, then clicking the Split Cells command. Isa-separate natin sila kasi since na-merge yun, split muna natin yung cells. And then, you can increase the number of columns. For example, 4. Then, click OK. Yan po. Then, we can also split the table. Ditong side ako mag-split ng table. Then, punta lang sa Layout tab. And then, click the Split Table. Yan po. Na-split na po yung table natin. Next one, how to change the width or height of the cells. First, select the columns or rows you would like to resize. For example, dito. Select the Table Tools Layout. Ito po yung Table Tools Layout tab and locate the cell size group. Ito po yung cell size group. Kung gusto mo pong i-increase ang height, yun lang po, click the arrow na pataas. Kung gusto mo na i-decrease, dito po sa ibaba. Yung width naman po, kung gusto mo siyang i-increase, ito po yung i-click. Kung gusto mo naman siyang i-decrease, ito po sa ibaba ang i-click. Next one, how to apply a table style. So, click anywhere on the table. Select the Table Tools Design tab and locate the Table Styles group. Ito po yung Table Design tab and locate the Table Styles group. Ito po yung Table Styles group. At saka i-click mo po yung drop down arrow Yan, pipili po tayo ng desired style natin. For example, ito sa akin blue. Yan po. Then next, how to add borders to a table. Select the Table Tools Design tab. Ito po yung Table Design tab. And then, locate the Borders group. Ito po yung Borders group. Then, select the desired border. For example, ito yung lalagyan natin ng border. And then, select lang muna natin yung Border Styles command. For example, ito. Lalabas po ang parang paintbrush na cursor. At saka, yan, dito ko siya ilalagay. Pwede natin siya lagyan kahit saan. Yan po ang steps kung paano mag-add ng border sa table. Okay. Next, how to add a cell fill color. So, lalagyan naman po natin ng color ang loob ng cell or cells natin. For example, ito po lalagyan natin ng color sa loob ng cell na ito. First step, select the cells you wish to add the fill color. Ito po. Then, select the Table Tools Design tab. Ito po yung Table Tools Design tab. And, locate the Table Styles group. Ito po yung Table Styles group. Then, click the Shading command. This is the Shading command. And, select the desired cell fill color. For example, red. Yan po. Kung gusto natin ibang color naman, go to the another cell and then select the desired color. Yan, sky blue. So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial on how to add and modify a table in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to subscribe to join my class, like this video for your attendance, and hit that bell para hindi ka mahuli or para updated ka sa mga video tutorials ko. This is Sir Bambi and you may now evaporate. See you!